Billions of dollars could be injected into this one cryptocurrency that has been building heavily under the radar. This is Injective, and Inj could be on the cusp of breaking its all-time high and potentially achieving a 10x in the coming bull run. But as you know, we've made this video to cover everything you need to know about Injective and why it could pump to new highs. Nonetheless, nothing in this video is financial advice. We are not financial advisors. Do not invest in anything you can't afford to lose. Use a burner wallet for extra security and always conduct your own research. Before we begin, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button to support our channel and stay up to date with the latest crypto guides, reviews, news, technical analysis, and so much more. Friends, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we're officially on the website of the Injective network, which is injective.com. We've got the official X page, which is at Injective. Be sure to give them a follow and smash that notification bell to stay up to date with everything regarding their blockchain. However, my friends, in this video, we're going to go through everything that you need to know about Injective in a nutshell. We're going to go through some technical analysis very roughly over on the X of AltCryptoGems and the legend himself, Crypto Popeye, which I highly recommend smashing that follow button and turning on the notification bells to stay up to date with all of his incredible technical analysis. Now, we're going to show you roughly how to buy the Inj token. We're going to go through some rough price predictions, all of which you will find out in this video. And therefore, we are going to give you a rough breakdown as to what Injective is. In a nutshell, Injective is a layer 1 proof of stake blockchain built on the Cosmos Hub, backed by the best including Binance, Pantera Capital, Jump, and even Mark Cuban, the serial investor and entrepreneur. Now, it is fast, it is scalable, and it is designed for everything regarding the world of finance. It is perfect for decentralized trading, derivatives, and so much more. And as it is built on the Cosmos SDK, it means that it benefits from interoperability with other blockchains, including Osmosis, Cosmos, and many more. And the best part is Injective is also compatible with the EVM. Now, we will get into that shortly. However, what sets Injective apart from the others, my friends, is the fact that it is blazing speed with low costs, enabling users to trade with ultra speed and facilitating transactions with incredibly low gas fees. This is ideal for traders, guys, and the ideal location for a financial world. We've got a decentralized order book, which makes it unlike most DeFi platforms that rely on automated market makers, also known as AMMs. Injective, on the other hand, offers a fully decentralized order book, giving traders a more traditional and transparent trading experience. And as I just said, it is also cross-chain compatible, so it expands beyond the Cosmos ecosystem and EVM ecosystem. However, it is also compatible with leading blockchains such as Bitcoin and Solana, and soon come, I assume, many more such as Sui, Aptos, and others. However, guys, it is also developer friendly, so it is attracting the finest developers in the ecosystem. They support the creation of custom financial applications, giving developers the tools to build unique protocols, markets, and dApps. Now, in my personal opinion, guys, if there is no place to build for developers, there is no place for consumers whatsoever, and Injective are onboarding the masses by onboarding the serious developers that are building the ultimate financial applications. Now, why would you care about Injective? Well, they are revolutionizing the DeFi space by offering unparalleled speed, scalability, and flexibility. It's specifically made for traders like you, institutions, and developers looking to push the boundaries of decentralized finance and trading. And in my opinion, guys, with a focus on efficiency and cross-chain compatibility, aka interoperability, Injective is paving the way for a more open and accessible financial future, which could very well be the leading blockchain of everything trading. However, my friends, I also wanted to get more into the Injective EVM, which I think is absolutely crucial to the future of Injective. Not too long ago, they implemented the inEVM, also known as Injective Ethereum Virtual Machine. This is a hyperscale Ethereum development, the first rollup designed to supercharge concurrent VM development, also known as virtual machine. They have collaborated with Caldera, Celestia, Hyperlane, Layer 0, and Pyth Network, all of which has built the ultimate and most interoperable rollup. And in a nutshell, my friends, the Injective EVM allows Ethereum-compatible smart contracts and applications to run on the Injective blockchain, combining Ethereum's flexibility with Injective's fast, low-cost, and scalable infrastructure. Basically, developers can easily migrate or build decentralized applications using Solidity, the programming language used on Ethereum, while accessing unique features like a decentralized order book and interoperability with the Cosmos ecosystem, as Injective is a Cosmos SDK built network. This makes Injective the ideal hub for creating advanced DeFi applications for any developer without the usual Ethereum congestion and extremely expensive gas fees. So, developers, if you're listening to this, you know what to do. You need to head over to Injective EVM and start launching your applications. So, my friends, in a nutshell, we will go through Injective EVM in the future as we dive into tutorials to show you how to get started with Injective and inEVM. For those who have seen our airdrop tutorials on the AltCryptoTalk YouTube channel on Hyperlane and Layer 0, you would know that we have interacted with Injective by utilizing the bridges of which are involved in that tutorial. However, you can watch that on your own, but in the future, we'll be diving back into Injective EVM. However, my friends, not only will we be providing you with Injective EVM tutorials, but we also, of course, will be providing you with the master network Injective tutorials, of which will show you how to get started in this network, how to utilize the ultimate applications, of which we want to show you right now. And therefore, my friends, just before we go to the ecosystem, I want to show you how popular this network is. They've performed over 1.4 billion transactions, and as you can see, the number is climbing at an incredible rate. The average transaction cost is just around 1 cent, my friends, which is absolutely impeccable and pivotal for the future of finance. Now, not only is it ultra cheap and not only is it ultra popular, however, you can see, my friends, that it has a block time of 0.64 seconds, of which is blazing speed and enables users to perform ultra fast trades and is exactly ideal for the world of traders. So traders, if you're listening out there, whether you're using a centralized or decentralized exchange to trade, you might want to make the shift over to Injective. On this network, you will find many popular trading applications such as Helix, which I'm going to show you now. But if you want to learn more, guys, about the Injective network, you can do so, all of which is on their website. Although we've given you a rough breakdown as to what Injective is, there is realistically so much more that you can read, especially in their white paper. But scrolling down, guys, I wanted to show you their unbelievable ecosystem. And as you can see in the ecosystem of Injective, the top 4 protocols, as we can see here, the first one is Helix, which I just mentioned. And this is the premier decentralized order book crypto exchange for trading crypto assets and derivatives. Helix offers 0 gas fees, an intuitive user interface, and niche interchain markets. So therefore, guys, I just want to briefly show you guys that you can go onto Injective, you can utilize this network to access applications such as Helix, where you can utilize a trading platform with 0 gas fees and trade some of the largest cryptocurrencies across multiple different blockchains. As you can see here, guys, there are so many different pairs of which you can trade, some with leverage, some of which, of course, are just spot trades. But this is an incredible platform of which you can utilize if this is something that you like. Now, on the right hand side, guys, we've got Mito, a decentralized protocol for automated trading, launchpads, and yield generation. We've got Hydro Protocol, a liquid staking protocol similar to Lido, of which you can utilize to earn extra yield. We've got Talis Protocol, an NFT marketplace, and therefore, guys, you can see Injective is hitting every single corner of the finance market and bringing it all on chain, whether that is to do with real world assets, whether that is to do with DeFi assets. It is all here on Injective. Now, scrolling down, guys, you can take a look at the entire ecosystem, of which there are so many to look at. Now, guys, there are over 294 different decentralized applications within this ecosystem, all of which you can check out and utilize to your advantage. Now, it depends what you're looking for. If you're looking for analytics tools, they have it. If you're looking for apps and tooling, they have it. Apps on inEVM, of which you can utilize. You can see that we've got 8bond, DACI Meson Finance, TimeSwap, Thetanauts Finance, Relative Finance, and soon come many, many more. We've got data. DeFi, guys, this one is going to be the largest. Neptune Finance is massive. Hydro Protocol. You've got some serious protocols such as Ondo. Guys, this is absolutely insane, and you can see some huge names appear in their ecosystem. We've got decentralized exchanges, whether you're looking to just very simply swap tokens in the ecosystem or whether you're looking to trade with leverage. It is all here provided in this ecosystem. We've got the infrastructure, the institutions, the interoperability, NFTFi, stablecoins, validators, wallets. Guys, whatever you're looking for, it is all found in the Injective ecosystem, included in the wide range of 294 different dApps. Now guys, this is one of the biggest ecosystems out there and it is continuously growing, especially as they integrate more networks and ecosystems. Now my friends, as for the Injective token, I think it is very important that we go through the INJ Tokenomics very briefly, of course, as they have got an incredible document of which you can read that is 14 pages long and has all the information that you need to know about INJ. However, in a nutshell, my friends, you can understand what INJ is. Very simply, is a deflationary token of which has got multiple utilities, including a medium of exchange, as INJ is used as the default asset to facilitate the purchase and sale of goods and services between parties on the blockchain. Therefore, guys, it is used to pay for transaction fees, similar to as you would pay for Ethereum tokens on the Ethereum network. Now you have got the INJ tokens on the INJ network, of which is used to perform every transaction. And yes, there have been over 1.4 billion transactions, all of which have been used by INJ to perform the transaction. Now you've got security and staking. Injective is secured via staking, as it is a proof of stake blockchain, which is an essential use case for INJ. Validators and delegators can freely participate in the Injective network via staking. And therefore, guys, you can understand more. And for those who want to learn how to stake, you can follow our Kepler tutorial, of which we have on our YouTube channel, and shows you how to stake assets within the Cosmos ecosystem, and that would include Injective. Now, scrolling down, my friends, we've also got the governance, of which INJ is used to participate in the proposals brought up by the governance ecosystem, of which anyone that is holding and staking INJ can participate in the governance. And this is another huge utility, as decentralization is a massive part of Injective, and that the community can play a pivotal role in the future of the governance. So, my friends, you can learn more about the mechanics and the supply dynamics and everything that you need to know about the deflationary mechanisms, all of which that you can read down here on their white paper. So I highly recommend giving this a read, guys, especially if you're going to be hodling Injective through the bull run. This provides you with all the information that you need to know. However, my friends, although you could go through all of that information on the white paper on your own, we have given you a rough understanding of what the INJ token is. But for now, I think it's time we show you how to buy the INJ token, and then we'll show you some awesome technical analysis and provide you with some rough price predictions for the coming bull run. Now, as you can see, scrolling down, guys, you can see all of the Injective markets of which it's available on. You can see that you can buy INJ on Binance, Bybit, Coinbase, OKX, Osmosis, Upbit, and so many others. And therefore, if you did want to buy on a centralized exchange, Injective is practically available on 99% of them. You can very simply buy crypto very easily, just in a couple clicks, just by coming onto any exchange such as OKX, of which we'll leave linked in the description below. However, in this video, my friends, I wanted to show you a couple decentralized exchange options. One is the Osmosis decentralized exchange and network within the Cosmos ecosystem, of which you can swap into Injective. If you go to the trade section, guys, here you can swap into any token on the Cosmos ecosystem. So I can swap my Atom tokens into Injective, as you can see here. If you just type in INJ and very simply choose an amount you want to swap, as you can see, you can swap any amount in a matter of seconds, and it is absolutely beautiful. This is how you would do it through Osmosis, through a very simple and sleek decentralized exchange. If you want to watch the tutorial, guys, you can see a rough guide on how to swap by watching the Kepler wallet tutorial, of which we go through a rough guide on Osmosis. Now, another option for those who want to swap on an EVM network, you can use popular networks such as the BNB chain, because as you can see over on CoinMarketCap, on the left hand side, you can see the contract addresses for Injective on Ethereum. You can see it on the BNB Smart Chain, Osmosis, and of course the Injective blockchain. However, as you can see on the PancakeSwap DEX, as I get connected and set up, if you were to swap your tokens into, for example, INJ, as you can see here, guys, Injective protocol comes up straight away, and you could very simply swap any amount of tokens. It's entirely up to you. You can get yourselves 0.41 INJ, just confirm the swap, and the tokens would be yours. Of course, this is not financial advice, and this is very simply a tutorial. And as you can see, my friends, the transaction is now submitted. I'm going to add INJ to my wallet, and it is as simple as that. So we've shown you a tutorial on how to swap using a centralized exchange, a decentralized exchange on the Cosmos network, such as Osmosis, and a decentralized exchange on an EVM network, such as BNB chain, of which we use PancakeSwap. However, guys, In the future, as you know, like I said earlier, I will be providing you with a tutorial on how to use Injective EVM and the Injective blockchains, of which you can check out on our YouTube channel once the videos go live. So make sure you stay tuned by smashing that subscribe button and turning on the notification bells. And of course, smashing that like button really supports our channel. So please, if you're enjoying this video, smash that like button. But my friends, for the moment you've all been waiting for, I wanted to provide you with some amazing technical analysis by both the legends AltCryptoGems and Popeye Crypto. So to begin with, guys, we're going to go with Jules' brief technical analysis, of which he provided on the 16th of January. Here, guys, you can see that INJ has been consolidating in this area for 280 days. Now, as you can see, it seems to be forming a bottom here with a series of higher lows and a bounce from support. Is it probably nothing? Well, I personally don't think so, guys. This could very well be a huge pump for Injective, which we are currently on the cusp of. Now, me personally, guys, before we go ahead and say any further, I do not know anything about technical analysis whatsoever, so therefore take everything I say with a pinch of salt. However, I will be reading through the technical analysis provided by Jules and the legend Popeye Crypto. So, my friends, as for myself, this is just my personal opinion, which I personally believe we are ready to see INJ blow up. I am a solid believer in the network, and I very much agree with what I'm seeing on the charts here. But this is why I now wanted to go into more further detail by showing you the legendary Popeye Crypto's technical analysis, of which he provides extremely more detail. Now, before we begin, guys, make sure you're following Crypto Popeye over on X. Make sure you've got that notification bells turned on for the ultimate technical analysis, because he is consistently providing you with updates on all of the biggest and best cryptocurrencies. However, as we move over to INJ, as you can see here, this is the INJ high time frame on the 3-day charts. Injective is showing a very interesting chart, he said. After reaching its all-time high in March 2024, the price has been consolidating above a demand zone for over 400 days. The current price action resembles what occurred in 2023, where we similarly consolidated above an important demand zone before moving into an expansion phase that resulted in a 650% increase. Furthermore, just as in 2023, we are starting to form a series of higher lows at this crucial support level, indicating significant buying pressure and interest from major buyers to accumulate at this price. Now, looking at this screenshot, guys, you can see here that the demand is increasing. And if we zoom further in and check the current price action, we can clearly see that we are trading in a massive accumulation area with the price trapped between $30 and $16 levels. So taking a look, guys, as you can see here, we have got the support line here. So hopefully if the accumulation levels break and we hit over to the support, oh my gosh, we could break into the all-time high and over into the expansion above $75. Now, due to this massive consolidation, dollar cost averaging in this zone should yield good dividends once we start to expand. What bulls need to show? Well, we need to break above $30 and transform that level from resistance into solid support. Once there, I am expecting the price to start a strong expansion phase, ideally breaking the all-time high level at $53 and potentially moving into price discovery, which means new all-time highs, baby. So once the last all-time high level is breached, I would target Fibonacci levels, particularly the Fib 1.618 around $77. So guys, that is a huge price prediction at the moment. That is well over a 3x for the Injective token, of which Crypto Popeye, the legendary technical analyst, has provided us. Now, I personally agree, guys. I personally think that we are definitely going to reach those price discovery ranges. I am not a financial advisor. I do not give any financial advice. So, guys, over to the bull run price predictions. At the moment, Injective is currently priced at roughly $23 with a market cap of $2.27 billion. Ranking it the 57th largest crypto by market cap. Now, it has seen an all-time high of $52 as we know, and it was mentioned by Popeye Crypto himself. Big shout out to that legend, and thank you for providing that amazing technical analysis. And I think this is a very conservative all-time high of which it reached last year in 2024 of March. Now, that is not too long ago, guys, and we saw many tokens pump in that month. And I personally believe we are on the cusp of something special once again, just like I said. Now, if we move over to market cap of, where I can give you some rough price predictions. Although I'm not going to be providing you with technical analysis because I don't know how to do that, and the legends Popeye Crypto and Jules have already done that, so why would I even try to top that? Because they are the masters of that already. However, if we were to give you some rough price predictions for the coming bull run, where would I see Injective going at its peak? Well, in my personal opinion, guys, if all goes well, I could very well see Injective reach the market cap of Polkadot and reach the market cap of $10.4 billion, taking Inj up 4.59x and well exceeding its previous all-time high, practically doing a 2x above its all-time high. Now, guys, I think this is very conservative. I think this is a fantastic price prediction of which we can expect, especially as we see more people onboarded into the world of finance, especially with Trump's inauguration. There is so much that we can expect for bullish news, and especially with more announcements coming from Injective. They are listed on the biggest and best centralized exchanges already, so they can facilitate so much volume behind the token. There really is huge potential here. However, this is not my final price prediction for the INJ token. Flashing us back to the beginning of the video, do I believe we can reach a 10x? Well, me personally, yes, I do think so, and that would take us up to the market cap of Uniswap's all-time high in the previous bull run of 2021, when it reached a market cap of $22.5 billion. Now, although it's only a 9.9x, I personally believe it will hit that 10x at roughly $230, give or take. And in my opinion, guys, if Uniswap, the most popular decentralized exchange on the Ethereum network, can reach a market cap of $22.5 billion in the previous bull run, what's stopping Injective, a popular layer 1 network with more utilities behind its token than Uniswap, what's stopping it from reaching a market cap of $22.5 billion when there's going to be roughly $10 trillion in the overall crypto market? Me personally, I think there's nothing stopping it. Guys, if we see some more institutions behind the Injective network, if we see more integrations, more onboarding, if we see trading at its finest on decentralized exchanges, then in my personal opinion, Injective is going to be a golden blockchain of the future. And therefore, for those who believe in the world of finance and for those who believe that it is decentralized, in my opinion, Injective is probably going to be one of those key players. And this is one that I'm going to be hodling through the bull run, expecting great things, especially around a $200 price point. Now, guys, I am not a fortune teller. I am not a financial advisor. This is all just purely my own opinion and based on my own research. Do not invest in anything you can't afford to lose. Be sure to stay tuned with Crypto Popeye and be sure to stay tuned with the legend AltCryptoGems as well. These two legends, my friends, consistently provide updates in the crypto world over on their X pages. So make sure you're following them and you've got the notification bells turned on so you don't miss out on the hottest and best content. Now, friends, that is the end of the video. We've pretty much covered everything that you need to know about Injective, how to buy it, the ecosystem itself, technical analysis, price predictions, and very soon we are going to provide you with some tutorials on how to get started in the Injective blockchain. Now, friends, we appreciate you all so much, so please don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button because it really shows support on our channel, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.